One job today, the laser drill. It's our key to the safe. This punk from the family's heading to picking up the goods as we speak. You sneak in, find a cozy little vantage point, and wait for one of the crew to hand him the container access card. Then take him out. Grab the card and head for the laser drill. Pick up the goods, get out of there. Lickety-split. Any questions? You know the drill. No pun intended. Now get going. Sent you the freighter's location. You're welcome. Peeked at the cams. It's a floating graveyard for shipping crates. Which is great news for you. Those metal coffins make excellent cover. Gifting you 2 bombs. Don't say I never spoil you. Stick them in place. Nothing says hello like an unexpected explosion. Fast, messy, and less cleanup. Cloud style.
The usual spot, the red container.
Time to get busy. Let's roll out the fireworks.
Light 'em up! Let's dance. Say hello to my fresh the punks. Light 'em up!
valve that'll take you right back to land. Go, go, go! Just get that laser drill home, and alright, sweep these Goombas into the sea. And they brought you a getaway car. Sweet timing.
Unload it on